Hello friends, today we will see the methods of preparation of phenols. The first method for the preparation of phenol is from chlorobenzene, that is also called as Dow process. In Dow process, chlorobenzene is heated with excess of NaOH, aqueous sodium hydroxide, at about 613 Kelvin temperature and under pressure of 150 atmosphere to give a sodium phenoxide plus NaCl plus H2O. This sodium phenoxide is hydrolyzed by using dilute HCl. We get a phenol and NaCl. The alternate method for the preparation of phenol from sodium phenoxide is when current of the carbon dioxide is passed through aqueous sodium phenoxide. aqueous म्हटलं आहे म्हणून आपण H2O या ठिकाणी घेतलंय. aqueous sodium phenoxide to give phenol, and sodium bicarbonate is a byproduct of these reactions. This is the first method for the preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene, and the method is called as a Dow process. अजून याची दुसरी एक मेथड पण आहे, पण ती आता या सिलेबसला आपल्याला नाही आहे. ती आहे रॅस्चिक मेथड. When chlorobenzene is heated with steam, this chlorobenzene is heated with steam, that means H2O, at about 698 Kelvin temperature, and by using a catalyst like calcium phosphate to give phenol. Sorry, हे chlorobenzene पासून पाहिजे डायरेक्ट. When chlorobenzene is directly treated with H2O in presence of copper as a catalyst at about 673 Kelvin temperature, we get phenol. We get phenol plus HCl. The second method for the preparation of phenol is from cumene. It is an commercial method for the preparation of phenol. Nearly all phenols which are required today are obtained by using this method. The alkaline solution of cumene, that means isopropyl benzene, that is called as cumene or isopropyl benzene, in sodium carbonate is oxidized by passing air or oxygen to give a cumene hydroperoxide, that is cumene hydroperoxide. And by heating this cumene hydroperoxide with dilute sulfuric acid with heating decomposes to give phenol and acetone. Phenol and acetone. Acetone is a important byproduct of these reactions, and it is separated by distillation. This reaction is also called as ऑटो-ऑक्सिडेशन्स. म्हणजेच क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला असाही विचारला जाऊ शकतो, प्रिपरेशन, राईट डाऊन द मेथड ऑफ द प्रिपरेशन्स ऑफ फिनॉल फ्रॉम क्यूमेन, or explain auto oxidation reactions of cumene.